Hello, everybody. Hello, my fans out there. Merry Christmas to you guys. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to everyone who has been supportive, encouraging this channel. God will indeed bless you in the name of Jesus. I'm just making this video just to appreciate each and every one of us and to wish everyone well for the coming 2021. It shall be a glorious year for each and every one of us. I'm also making this video to show you how God has been faithful for the past few months. God has been faithful. God has been releasing His talent again and again to make different artwork. So I'm going to be showing you the Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree I made during this season, and the Christmas box gift. We have the Christmas for the Christmas bottle light. All that I make just to beautify my home this Christmas. You can do it, guys. You can beautify your home by yourself. You can do it, guys. So this is another Christmas dining light I made. That's it. I made them so they are so cool. This one can serve as a decoration idea one can give to any family out there, just to make everyone in the family happy during this Christmas. Okay, so these are the things I actually made all this season of Christmas. And I also made this table, this center table. You will be very surprised on how this table was looking like before it was transformed. The video will be coming up very soon on how I transformed this center table. Okay, this is another wall frame that I made. Amazing wall frame. You see that? You can do it, guys. You can do it, guys. Just to beautify your home is very easy. Not so much stress. Very economic. This is another computer table I actually made too. What I did, I just got a fabric and I just spread it on top of this computer table just to give it a little bit of beauty and different from the one that we had before. You can see the letter balls, just made a little, just making a little bit beautiful and attractive for use at home. You can see that. You can see this amazing chair, amazing sofa. This is one of the sofa we had long time before. The fabric was actually wearing out, so I had to get another fabric and attach it to it. So these are the things that we have. So beautiful. Look at the chair, the old chair that was transformed to a very new one. If you didn't tell anybody that you didn't buy it, they won't believe. They will tell you actually got it from the furniture shop. You can see that the coffee table, everything is also amazing. Let's go to this wall frame as well. You can see this wall frame. Wow, another amazing wall frame that was made by this channel. We had a video as well. You can visit our videos in our channel and see how all these things we actually made. I'm going to show you another amazing thing that we did. We have the table lamp. You see that? Table lamp. So amazing. We did that by ourselves. Do it yourself. You see the Christmas tree. You see the Christmas decoration. Oh, the Father Christmas stockings was also made by by me, by the special grace of God. All these things were actually designed by me. Visit this channel and see how all these things were transformed by the talent of God. You can see this cupboard. It was actually transformed too, from the old one to a new one. It looks so brand new now. Okay, guys, Merry Christmas to you guys. Wish you all the best. Wish you God blessings. Wish you what God will wish you all through this coming year of 2021. Love you guys. God bless you. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the channel with your families and friends, hit the notification buttons for you to know and be notified by any video that will be uploaded or through this channel. Okay, there are so many videos that are yet to come up. Many videos. Just keep in touch, stay tuned, and I know that you are going to learn more. You're going to learn more. And 2021 is going to be amazing year for each and every one of us. More talent will be released. More grace of God will be released. Okay, bye guys. Merry Christmas. And stay tuned to my channel. Share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Send to your friends and family. Let them learn what you are learning. Okay, bye. God bless you. See you in 2021 in the grand style. Bye.